Few people have been asking me how incels were able to spread their ideas so effectively, even though most of us just regard them as a joke. And it all comes down to a phenomenon called Poe's Law, which says that any sincere expression of beliefs online can be mistaken for a sarcastic expression of those beliefs and vice versa. I mean, if you look at the weird phrenological classifications they popularized, like hunter eyes or canthal tilts, or look at their weird racial concepts like the Oxford study, there are obviously some people who believe those things are real and some people who see them as a joke. And that difference can cause their language and ideas to spread. For example, the Oxford study meme started with actual discussion in the incelosphere about how the perceived sexual market value of different races affects the distribution of romantic relationships. Then, once somebody made a joke citing this fake study, the incels hopped on the trend to further popularize their ideas, and then other normal people who knew the study was fake started citing it in parody, and then other people down the line thought it was real and started using the term seriously. All the while, the actual racist misogynists were still spreading it in the comments, and any confusion just helped spark engagement that pushed it even further in the algorithm. And it's precisely that hopscotching between authenticity and comedy that allows them to weaponize their ideas. Most of us will just spread their alpha and sigma memes as a funny bit, but then some people will see it as a genuinely useful social categorization, not knowing the context, and get drawn further into the manosphere. At that point, the incels will be able to indoctrinate you further by getting you to accept the black pill, their philosophy about sexual attractiveness, and the thing that really popularized the suffix pilled beyond just the matrix. For more on how language spreads on social media, make sure to pre-order my book, Algospeak.